Up next in 4th place is the PowerXL Maxx Classic. Eating healthy shouldn't be a trend, but a lifestyle, and the PowerXL Maxx Classic makes it easy to adopt and adapt to such a lifestyle. Cooking, baking, boiling, roasting, and reheating are possible with this air fryer at a faster rate than most traditional cooking appliances. Irrespective of what you are cooking, this unit can heat up to 400 degrees, providing even heat so that all of your ingredients cook within the set time. And even though it makes the outer part of your food crispy and crunchy, the inside will be tender. We particularly like that you don't have to add oils to your ingredient when using this air fryer. Also, when prepping foods like meat or fish, the even distribution of hot air in this product will remove 70% to 90% of the fat and reduce the caloric content, leaving you with a healthier meal. We like that this unit's LED digital display panel features 7 presets for air fry or French fry, boil or fish, roast, bake, chicken, shrimp, and steak, which works with a single touch. Size-wise, it has a 7-quart fry basket with vents that allow 360 degrees of optimal airflow for every food you place in it. This basket can accommodate 1.7 pounds of French fries, 23 chicken wings, a 3-pound chicken, or a 6-inch pizza in just one cooking cycle. On top of that, the basket of this unit is non-stick and easy to clean after use. Whatever style or decor your kitchen has, the sleek and modern design will blend in just fine. If you are enthusiastic about trying new recipes, you may also like the included cookbook that comes with this product. Its pros are, it has 7 preset cooking functions, making it simpler to operate. The fry basket is non-stick, and it distributes hot air quickly and evenly. However, there is no pouring spout to pour out grease from the fry basket without creating a mess. The PowerXL Maxx Classic is suitable for large but busy homes that want several preset functions to save time and the stress of customizing new settings every time. Still haven't found an air fryer for large families that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.